Hello students, welcome back. Students, in our last video we discussed class 4 English lesson number 4, the hidden treasure, activity number 4, 5 and 6. Today we will discuss activity 7, activity 8 and activity number 9. Let's start our discussion with activity number 7. Let's have fun with words by adding ly, ness and er. Students, look below. Two words happy and great are given below, and new words are formed from those two words by adding ly, ness and er. Again, look below, there it is given. You can also make your own words by adding ly, ness and er to the words given below. Notice students, 4 words are given below: sweet, kind, love, angry, and we are asked to form words from these words by adding ly, ness and er. Students, you can form the word like this: sweet, sweetly, sweetness, sweeter; kind, kindly, kindness, kinder; love, lovely, loveliness, lovelier; angry, angrily, angriness, angrier. Okay students, write this activity in your notebook. Now let's see what's given in activity number 8. These are some new words from the text. Students, look below. 3 new words are given. They are paddy, treasure, dig. Again, we are asked to look up the dictionary for their meaning. Students, when you will search for the meaning of these 3 words, you will get the meaning as shown in the picture below. Paddy, a field in which rice is grown, a rice paddy; or a state of being angry or in a bad mood. Example, the news put him in a bit of paddy. Treasure, a collection of valuable things such as gold, silver and jewelry, or a highly valued object, or a person who is much loved or valued. Dig, to make a hole in the ground or to move soil from one place to another using your hand, a tool or a machine, or to remove something from the ground with a tool, or to search in something in order to find an object in something. Students, here we read the dictionary meaning of the above 3 words: paddy, treasure and dig. In the next part of the question, we are asked to write the meaning of these 3 words. Students, let's write what these words mean in the lesson. Paddy, a rice paddy, a field in which rice is grown. Treasure, a collection of valuable things such as gold, silver and jewelry. Dig, to make a hole in the ground using your hands, a tool or a machine. Okay students, write this activity in your notebook and try to find out meanings of few more words with the help of a dictionary. Now let's see what's given in activity number 9. 9A. Read the words and their meanings. Students, look below. There few words are given along with their meanings, and we are asked to read the words and their meaning. Let's read them out. 1. Treasure. A collection of gold, silver, and other valuable things. 2. Wonder. Think about. 3. Delighted. Happy. 4. Excited. Feeling or showing happiness. 5. Suggest. Put forward an idea. 6. Promise. To say that something will be done. 7. Ripe. Fully grown and ready to be eaten. Okay, students, try to read these word meanings at home. Now let's see what's given in activity 9B. Now read the following sentences. Replace the underlined words by choosing one from the box to write each sentence. Students, here we are asked to read the sentences given below and then replace the underlined words in each sentence with the words given in the box. Number 1. There is gold and silver under the ground. Students, do you remember the word meanings? See here, treasure means a collection of gold, silver, and other valuable things. So students, here in place of gold and silver, we can write treasure. So we will write it as there is treasure under the ground. 2. Pankaj and Rajan thought about where the treasure lay. Students, notice here the words thought about is underlined and we can replace it with any one of the remaining 3 words from the box. Students, in earlier activity we came to know that wonder means think about. So here we can replace the word thought about with the word wondered. We will write the answer as Pankaj and Rajan wondered where the treasure lay. Okay, students. Now question number 3. Pankaj and Rajan were happy to hear about the treasure. Notice here again the word happy is underlined and we will have to replace it with any one of the remaining 2 words. The words remaining are ripe and delighted. Notice here, students, the word delighted means happy. So we will replace the word happy with the word delighted. We will write the sentence as Pankaj and Rajan were delighted to hear about the treasure. Okay, students? Now look at the last sentence. 4. Madhav saw that the paddy was fully grown and golden. Students, here fully grown words are underlined. So, since only one word is left, we will replace fully grown with the word ripe. As we have got in the meanings, ripe means fully grown and ready to be eaten. So we will write the sentence as Madhav saw that the paddy was ripe and golden. Okay, students, write these activities in your notebook and try to read them. It's all for today. In our next video, we will discuss the last 4 activities of this lesson. Thank you, everybody.